Hello, my name is Roger and this is Jolly Roger Craftworks. On this episode I'm going to be showing you how I built this miter saw station / workbench. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks for coming back. I started out by cutting down a bunch of 2x4s. I'm making the base of the table first, and these pieces here are part of the rectangles that will form the legs on each end of the table. I've drilled pocket holes into each one of these pieces, and there's 8 of them in total. Here I'm framing out the rectangles that form the legs of the table. Notice I'm using the pocket holes that I drilled in the previous clip to put these together. I'm not using any wood glue here because I don't think it's necessary for shop furniture. Also, I'm using the clamps to hold everything square while I put it together. Now I'm attaching some horizontal stringers to the rectangular leg supports. I'm putting 2 on the top and only 1 on the bottom. I want the bottom of the table to be open in the front so that I can easily slide stuff underneath it. With the base of the table complete, all I had left was to attach the 3/4 inch plywood top. Then I repeated this entire process and ended up with 2 identical 2 foot by 4 foot tables. Next to adding leveling feet to the corner of each one of the tables, I then leveled the tables separately from each other, making sure that the height of the tables matched when I was finished. And finally, I created the axle platform for the miter saw. This is just a rectangle created out of 2x4s topped with 3/4 inch plywood. I then connected it to the ends of the tables between the two, low enough that the top of the miter saw would end up level with the top of the tables. Alright guys, that's it. Here's the table as it stands right now. Probably going to add a few features later, like a fence and a dust hood, but that's it for now. If you like what I'm doing here, don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, share it, leave your comments below, and as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.